Okay, so on 27 we have this photographer here pointing the camera at the window with an angle of 42 degrees. The camera is 52 meters from the building, so we're looking for Y, how high above the platform is the window. And so since I know an angle and I know X, I could use tangent because that's Y over X, and I can do tangent of the angle, multiply 52 times tangent of 42 degrees, and you should get this value. All right, the next one, the rocket station has two telescopes, A and B. They're 1.1 miles apart. The telescope locks onto a rocket and transmits their angle of elevation. What is the distance to the rocket? A has an angle of 26 degrees and B has an angle of 48 degrees. And so I can do tangents on both of these, and then I can move over the X. And so what happens is when I do that, it makes both of these equal to H. And so if they're both equal to H, I can then actually solve this. So that's X plus 1.1. Okay, so I made them both equal to H. So now I actually have something that I can solve. So, ooh, that was kind of cool. Only that part moved, huh? There we go. And so from here, I just simply go through the algebra. I probably would distribute that. So I get X tangent 48 degrees equals X tangent 26 degrees plus 1.1 tangent of 26 degrees. And then I'd move all the X's to one side. So tangent 48 minus X tangent of 26 degrees equals this 1.1 tangent of 26 degrees. And then of course I would factor out an X, and then I would be left with the tangent parts only. And so I could divide that on both sides. So tangent of 48 degrees minus tangent of 26 degrees, and when I do that I get approximately 0.86. Okay, so in other words, I know that this value right here is 0.86, and I certainly have my angle of 48 degrees. And so since I know my adjacent, I can use my cosine. 48 degrees equals my X, 0.86, over what I'm trying to find. Let's just call that C. And solving this, you should get 1.29 miles.